With so many options to choose from, it can be tough to decide which lenses you should get for your motorcycle riding glasses. So let's go through all the options so you know exactly what to look for. Let's start with prescription. The three main types are gonna be single vision, bifocals, and progressives. Single vision is going to be the typical lens that you'll see on most glasses, correcting only one field of vision. Bifocals are the lenses that have a small section at the bottom used for a second field of vision correction, so you can have both reading and distance vision. And progressives give you the same vision correction as bifocals, but in a more advanced way. Instead of a solid line separating the two sections of correction, there's a smooth transition. This makes progressives look a little bit more like single vision lenses. Okay, next we'll choose our lens material. The three main types are polycarbonate, Trivex, and high-index plastic. Basically, these lenses balance thickness, visual clarity, and safety protection. Poly lenses are light, thin, and ANSI Z87 Plus approved, meaning they have the highest level of safety standards. Trivexes lose some of the thinness, but make up for it with noticeably higher clarity, and they're still ANSI Z87 Plus approved. Then there's high index, which comes in two different variations, 1.67 and 1.74. These lenses are meant for higher prescriptions and are super light, super thin, and super clear. They do, however, lose out on a little bit of the safety levels, being ANSI Z87.1 compliant. For motorcycle riding, Z87.1 and up is completely fine, but if you want the most protection possible, go with poly or Trivex. Next, you'll need to pick out the lens color and coatings. If you ride frequently during the day, you're definitely going to want some UV protection and a colored tint to block out some light. If you're interested in learning more about lens tints and all the benefits of the different colors, we have a bunch of videos about the topic, which I'll link above. Otherwise, you could consider grabbing a pair of transition lenses if you often move from indoors and out, or you can grab a specialty tint like the Halo nighttime driving glasses to enhance your vision at night. Lastly, you'll need to decide if you want a lens coating. Options include scratch, scratch plus UV, anti-fog, anti-reflective, blue light blocking, and of course, mirror coatings. You can learn more about all these coatings on our website, but for motorcycle riding, I would definitely recommend at least grabbing anti-fog and a mirror coating. These will help keep your lenses clear, but also reduce reflections from the sun or other vehicles. So, what lenses should you get? Well, one of the best parts about ordering through us at RX Safety is that you can get a little bit of everything with just a few clicks. Just head over to our website, look through all the motorcycle riding glasses that we offer, and choose the best lenses for your riding style. If you like riding off-road during the day, you might want to grab something like the polycarbonate lenses with a dark gray lens tint and a mirror coating. If you like riding at night, I would definitely recommend grabbing the Halo nighttime driving glasses. Or if you have a high prescription and just like riding on a Sunday afternoon, maybe grab the high index lenses with some transitions and an anti-fog coating. Either way, if you want the best lenses for motorcycle riding eyewear, check us out at rx-safety.com.